Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Shahzada Anwar, and as you all know that we have started a 30-day challenge where we are going to learn a lot. Actually, we are going to learn how to speak in English and how to be fluent in English. And it is our day ninth. So today I thought to share some rainy vocabulary with you, which is quite useful. So our first word is waterlogging. Waterlogging means amount of water collected on the ground. When there is rain and some amount of water is collected on the ground, we can say it waterlogging. We can use it like that. There is waterlogging in the ground. So the next term is stagnant water. Stagnant water means water is absolutely still and dirty as well. When there is some amount of waterlogging and the water is dirty, we are saying that stagnant water. Next one is shallow water. Shallow water means less amount of water. When there is waterlogging in a very less amount, we are just saying that shallow water. Our next word is wade through water. Wade through water means whenever you are going through the water. Suppose there is waterlogging on the road and you have to cross that place, so you can say that I have to wade through water. Okay. And next word is muddy puddle. Muddy puddle means little water with mud. Actually mud means kichad in Hindi. So when there is mud along with some amount of water, we are just saying that muddy puddle. It means little water with mud. Now we are going to learn something which are directly related to raining, or we can say that different forms of raining. When there is less amount of rain is falling, we can say that drizzle or drizzling. We can say that it's drizzling. I mean water is falling very slowly. Means less amount of rain is falling. Next is downpour. Downpour means heavy rain for a short time. There is heavy rain, but it is not going to last for long. Like it is for very short time, maybe for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 5 minutes, or less. Okay, more or less. I think you can understand it for a very short time. Next one is cats and dog. You have heard that term cats and dog many a time. Like it is raining cats and dog means heavy rain. Cats and dog means heavy rain. You can use it like oh it's raining heavily, but most of us are using cats and dog. Our next word is thunder. Thunder means noise coming from the sky, or you can say that it is thundering. And when light is coming from the sky, we are saying that lightning. It's lightning. And our today's last word is thunderstorm. Thunderstorm means thundering and lightning. Both are at the same time. Then we are just saying that thunderstorm. So that is for today. Please stay connected, keep growing. Thank you so much.